This is our little Lance. This is a Lance little truck camper bed. That's what we're looking at right here. This is the one that got ate up by buzzards.
But there's big holes over there.
Buzzards. Alright. We'll get all this out of here and we'll see how good or bad it is. But it looks like we can go over this roof. We got to get all of this components off. The antenna, plumbing, air, AC right here, air unit, vents, all those things. Once we get all those off, then we'll get the roofing on it. Get rocking and rolling. Look at all that water up underneath that. And that roof is stripped. That is a lot of water. All up underneath there. Yeah. This is all in there. This is Lance truck camper bed that we're working on right here. That's so here's all the water sitting up on the roof from that ladder that we just showed you. That thing loaded with water. Oh yeah, you can see all the water on there.
This one too, bro.
Okay. You want to get the camera there? So that's what they do, is they just put all that butyl under there, and then the water gets in there. Where the water gets in, it gets in right here. It trickles right down here, right around that rim, and it gets inside there, and that's where all the water gets in. It'll start rotting all that out. That's why we make those boots and seal everything up the way we do. So, but that's a good example of where it starts. He already had leaks he didn't even know about. So as expensive as these are, but well, we'll fix her up right. That's for sure. This is our Lance truck bed. So what we've got is half of it glued, and we are rolled one side over. And now what we're going to do is take the big roller like we normally do, right there. That's our balance roller, and then we've got another roller. This is an RV roof install original. We fabricated that one right there for the smaller jobs like these, because that other roller is kind of heavy. So all we're going to do now is roll it out. Just make sure it gets a good bond. Okay, this is our Lance. Quiet on the set. This is our final on this Lance. In my way, in my way. All right. See how I get up on this scaffold here. So we got our boots in here. Got our logo right there. RVRoofInstall.com. We got the date out there, October 18, so we know how the roof's doing. We got some protective strips. Hopefully you can see them through the camera. All these have been all heat welded in. Same with these boots. Everything's been heat welded. Everything over there. We've got skylights and boots. This is just this little truck camper. We got our antenna with the same thing. It's got the same boot. The curb on here. And then that curb, you got these flanges. So as the water is racing across from the front side especially, it'll hit this little flange and then it'll be shot out this way. This is a solar adapter, so we just made this little boot up for it. And we got that little hatch right there. So we've got everything all put together, all clean. Got our radio antenna down there, same thing in a boot. Plumbing in a boot over there. 2 strikes of caulking all the way to the front. And also on the edge here where your turn bar is. So she's about ready to roll. The customer is eager to get this right now, waiting over there on the sidelines while we're videoing this. So get that camera work done so I can go. Thanks for watching. These are a Lance. We did this back in October, and I guess we lost the last clip, but he was in here for an inspection. We made a special trip down here just so we could finish this last video clip. Heck of a guy. So what we're doing is you bring them in and we check for an inspection. So what we're looking for is the caulking right here. We just want to make sure that's seated. And anything else, we check all the welds, anything that looks like it just needs attention. Again, these are new, so we want to make sure that everything is seated tight. So we just went ahead on here. This is a clear. It'll dry clear. It's white. We just added that just for the heck of it to make sure. And then what else we do? We checked, I think we just touched up a little lip on that over there. That's it. So other than that, I mean, this thing's, it looks good. It still looks good. And this is back in October. So right now, this is, what's now? This is February? We're in February already. This is February. So you can see how all that's been heat welded. Everything's all heat welded. So you don't have any issues with these. But again, like I said, that's why we like to sand them. Make sure, we want to make sure everybody's doing their job in the shop. That's what it is. And we can find out Because when they come back in, if we notice something, we go, hey, who did this? Come over here, see what you did, see what you didn't do, that thing. So, but this is the Lance. This is the one that we had the little, the buzzards ate this roof. This is the buzzard eating roof right here. I don't know if they like TPO or not, but where he lives, we may find out. So, well, thanks for watching, and subscribe. If you want a sample of the product, just give us a call, and we'll be glad to send you one out if you want a sample of one. Thanks for watching.